Okay, I managed to get this one in. That's the cold water side. It's bloody difficult, actually. At the end of the day, I ended up putting my vice grips on here with a towel around there to keep it from walking. Then I tie wrapped it onto there because the thing kept falling over because it was top heavy. So that's what I had to do finally. Locked it in place with the vice grips, and I'll do that on the other side. I'll reverse it and lock the new one in place too. So I was debating whether it's going to be easier to cut the pipe first and then take the take loose the connection underneath there. But I'm going to go ahead and cut the pipe. And basically, which way is it going to go? I have 50-50 chance. It goes counterclockwise. Now I've got a bucket, and it just depending on how critical it is, whether how much water you have to worry about catching. Is that showing anything? What's that? The shadow is really bad, isn't it? What was I going? Counterclockwise. Nope, the other way. Yes, the other counterclockwise. So there we go. Got most of it in the bucket. That's only in the pipe, just that little section of pipe there. Where's that coming from? So that's it, basically. Let that drain a little bit, and then I'll take this pipe loose at the top up there. Then I got to figure out how much I'm going to cut. Well, actually, I don't have to figure out anything. I can just move it right where I want it. Don't have to cut it. Just stick it in there. That'll be fine. So lovely. Got to get the old one off now.